In the past, he and she's Batbayar Damden has taught us the benefits of acupuncture for many of our daily ailments, but it can actually aid fertility and increase the likelihood of conception as well. Joining Batbayar to explain is Dr. Nguyen, but we call you Dr. Nguyen, don't we? And she is a fertility specialist. So let's get started because Batbayar, this is a really interesting topic, and infertility is hard to treat. So tell us about acupuncture and infertility.
Well, acupuncture has been used last 5,000 years in Asian countries, and it can help to regulate the menstrual cycle, hormones, and also ovulation. Also increase the blood flow to the uterus, also thickens the uterus lining, and as well relieve the stress, which is the major factor when you're going through fertility treatments.
So with the needle placement in the body, where do you place it and how does that help? This is I'm very curious to all of this.
Well, it depends, you know. It's not like a cookbook, like a cookie cutter.
Okay.
Every fertility treatment is going to get exactly the same points. It depends on the person, what I found on the patient and what the cause of the fertility problem issue is, and then needle placement can be different parts of the body.
And is there a time when acupuncture just isn't, the right answer? In other words, there's something going on in a woman's body where maybe it's not going to work?
Well, in certain cases, let's say someone has the blocked fallopian tube. I mean, there is no way egg and sperm can meet.
Right.
Those cases, you still can use the acupuncture, but those cases I usually refer out to specialists like Dr. Nguyen, and that will be the best option. And along with the acupuncture, you can.
So, Dr. Nguyen, then bringing in a fertility specialist is probably really important then to work in tandem with the acupuncture. Can you speak to that?
Yes, so at our practice, we believe very much that each patient is different. As soon as the patients come in, we develop a specialized treatment plan for each patient, and it may not be the same for each one, but we believe in having a multidisciplinary approach. We know that some patients require treatment with other specialists as well. So we work hand in hand with other physicians such as Dr. Batbayar to help the patients achieve their goals.
Do you feel like that working in this way as well with the acupuncture, does it have any higher increase possibly with fertility, or is it just to see, what really works for women?
I have patients who ask me that question all the time. When patients come in, each patient has a very specific set of goals and values, and we respect that from the beginning. So for some patients, they like to choose up front that they would like to continue their acupuncture treatment that they had started with, and we work with them for all of those treatments. So there are some patients who need other specialists as well. So we are committed to making sure that communication line is clear so that each patient gets the best care that they can possibly get.
And Batbayar, is it important for the woman to then maybe follow up? I know women who have had acupuncture through their pregnancies without having infertility, complications in the beginning. So do you find it important that they continue the acupuncture throughout their pregnancy?
Yes, once they get pregnant, I usually recommend them first trimester make sure you have treatment each week, which is the most crucial time when you get pregnant, first trimester. I'm sure Dr. Nguyen agree with that, I'm sure.
Okay. And you have a seminar that's coming up, so let's talk about that seminar.
Yeah, it's going to be July 15th at 6:30 at our office, which is 4055 Linglestown Road.
Okay.
And you can find on our website more information about it. You can register from there too. Yeah.
Okay, and that seminar will, give the same type of information about acupuncture and infertility. Is that what
That's correct.
Excellent.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you both for joining us. I think this is a wonderful topic for women. Gives them something else to look to when they're having this kind of complication, right? Thanks again for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Sure. Well, if you're interested in this topic and want more, Batbayar will be back next Tuesday, July 1st, to continue the discussion on acupuncture and fertility. Stay with us. We'll be right back with more Good Day, PA.